at something. Is it a bear? It's not a bear, it's a deer. Hey deer, what you doing today? You're in the, oh, you got a big scar on you. You're in your usual resting spot here. They like to hide here in the shade. So, well, see ya. You don't want to help. Alright, my friends, in our last video you had seen us loading up railway ties. Today's video, well, we're going to be laying them down, and yeah, that picture, we have to spike them up, so that's what we're going to do. We have to do it the old-fashioned way, by hand.
Alright, Chuck, can you drive it?
Yep, okay.
If you're going to wonder, you just do it.
Loud and clear, over.
Okay, Chuck, ahead 5 feet. Sorry, 10 feet.
10 feet.
Stop there.
So all the railway ties you see us unloading here, they're all 8-foot long ties. And you have Richard and Jacob here helping us out today. And they're taking off 200-pound ties. That's about the average of what these weigh. And we're all hand bombing them.
Chuck, ahead 3 feet. Stop. Alright, Chuck, go ahead about 10 feet. 5 feet, 2.5, stop.
Nice. So after a day or two or more of unloading 200 railway ties, we move on to digging the rest of them up. And with that, we're going to jump to my head glasses and give you a worker's look. So what we're doing here is with the loader, we're digging to find the ties, and then once we find the ties, we dig the outer edges of them. And then when we dig the outer edges out of them, we pull the spikes out, and then we're able to push the ties out. Oh yeah, okay, got it. And today we are working with Bert Simpson, a longtime member of the Alberni Pacific Railway and Heritage Society, and also the excavation company that donated their time and bucket to do this job. Yeah. So now he'll just kind of push it out. Sorry, I don't want to get too close.
I wonder, there's no more plates there, right? I don't see one there, but with this side here, I'm not sure.
What is that? Oh, there is a plate too. Yeah, there is.
There is a plate?
Yeah.
Oh!
And they had that one marked. Yeah, there is. Yeah, it's buried.
me help you guys take that fucker
Well, maybe
out.
I should go get a spike puller.
Because
Got one of those too?
Oh yeah.
yeah,
I should have brought. I know.
never thought.
I'm gonna run and get one.
Yeah, okay.
They're hard to pull out.
It's a good tool.
Yeah.
I've seen them before.
Shoot. It's hidden in there.
Didn't move at all, eh? Should have fucking moved.
Oh yeah, that one might be easier to pick at it.
Yeah, if those spikes are there, then fucking this thing I can push it right out.
Those ones might be, yeah, I don't, actually if they're on, nothing on the other side.
It's not there?
I don't know, actually it might, that pick might work better.
Yeah,
If there's, oh yeah, they'll come out easy. Is there, oh, one spike. I'm gonna guess it's gonna come out easy enough.
Watch it.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, fuck.
Yeah, don't want to kill it, hurt yourself. Or actually, oh yeah, yeah, just the one.
Okay, I'll start on this one while he's gone.
Okay. What are you doing, Crow? What are you guys doing? Digging up the worms? So there we go, that's a somewhat of a quick video of us digging the ties out. And then, next is, well, this is what we used to pull it. This is a good 50 pounds in itself. Notice I got my safety sandals on, kids. And then actually, yeah, sorry, next video, we're gonna start hammering the spikes in on the new ties by hand. That didn't last long.
Several days later.
Okay, we're walking down to the rail yard and the shop and just kind of going along the tracks here, looking at all the extra work we got to do. And sure enough, you get people parking right on the railway track, even though there has been notice for the past 3 months that the train is coming back and running. So if we run the maintenance machines down here and everything else, well, these guys are going to get towed. That's all there is to it. So you think they'd get the hint, but no, they keep pushing their luck. And they can see us working on that line on the other side of this truck. I'll show you the signs here. Yeah, buddy. You're taking a chance because we're working on it. So right there's the orange signs up ahead. And if we are working on this today and make it this far, this guy's gonna be towed. So they'll park their vehicles here and then they'll leave for a day or 2 days or 3 days, go out fishing, la 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 da. So a little bit of a risk. Anyhow, so yeah, we're digging up the old ties. That's them. They're all rotted and we're up to here, okay? Because the other day I just helped out this small section. So we're up to here and we got to the end of that road here to replace. Oh, that one doesn't look too good. Yeah, guys. So we're getting along slowly but surely. I'm sorry if I got jerky camera movements as I walk along. I used to have an editor. Oh, the guys are here. Son of a rat.
Which one of these is strung? You may have to dig it out and
Bring it back. Oh, come on, get the stick. Get the stick.
Get your stick.
There you go. Wrong end. Holy.
Oh, there you got it.
Right in the middle. Wow, he's got some strength there.
He brought a whole piece of firewood down the mountain, like 12 kilometers one day.
Oh, wow.
So you, blah. That's not a good ending there, Chuck. You didn't start off the end very well. It's the start of the end or the end of the start, one of those ones. Anyways, that's what we have for now for doing the maintenance on the railway line. I only have one more clip of that, but you know what? Next video, very first passenger train ride. That will be the next one, I promise. Besides other stuff going on here, steam engines getting ready to run. Whoops, did I say that? Supposed to not tell you guys till future times. That's probably end of the year, more than likely. Anyways, enough blah blah blah. Chuck, let's go. We'll see you next video, my friends. If you made it this far, I appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, you should. Why not? Got railway stuff, we got hiking stuff, we got biking stuff, all kinds of crap on my channel. Cheers until next video. The tourist train is coming. Cheers until that video.